Hi guys, thank you for stopping by at my channel. Today's video is about growing uh, this Rieger Begonia from cuttings. So I have this beautiful Begonia, so I want to propagate it from its cutting. So I have taken like two cuttings and first remove the all lower leaves and the flowers so that they don't take the energy when they were trying to grow their roots. So just take like 4-inch cutting is enough, and then take a pot with some potting mix and plant them uh, like 2-inch deep so that they can grow their roots. So I have taken like two cuttings. The same thing I'm doing with this cutting also. I'm taking off the lower leaves and the flowers also, and I'm doing the same just to put in the pot. So in this way I am hoping that it will root in 3 to 4 weeks. Let's see if they root or not. So this is just for experiment, and some of them I am putting in my in a perlite cup. So let's see which will be succeeded. So after like 4 weeks, I will show you the result of both the cuttings which I have put in this pot and the cutting which I have put in the perlite cup. So sometime the spotting mix has the so much nutrient and heat and pests, so they just eat the stems and they kill them. So this one is in the perlite, so it has grown its roots, but the others didn't grow and they both of them die. So you can see the perlite is the most successful in this to grow your cuttings, because perlite don't have any pest problem or any nutrient. It has only the water and the perlite, so the cuttings gets their roots uh, very good. So you can see this one is, now I'm going to plant it in the small pot, because now they have the roots and they will get the energy from the potting mix and they will grow their roots more and more. You can see the roots, and now I have the uh, I will do some experiment in growing in my propagation box, which has a damp perlite inside. So it is winter, so I will put it in this box so that it can grow in the winter, that I will show you in my other video. So guys, I hope you like this video and you will also grow your cuttings of Rieger Begonia, and you will enjoy. Thank you guys, and I hope you will also enjoy this one. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.